Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to lock apps on your iPhone which is running on iOS 15. By default there is no inbuilt function to lock the apps directly on your iPhone, but I will show you another way using which you can lock the apps. To lock the apps we are going to use an app called Shortcuts. Here is the app, Shortcuts. Open the app. The app user interface will look like this. You need to click on Automation, which is located at the bottom. Click on that. Under Automation at the top right you will have this plus icon. Click on that and click on Create Personal Automation. And from the list you need to scroll a little bit and you need to select App. Under App you need to select Choose. Now select the apps which you want to lock. I would like to lock the camera app, clock app, and the calculator app and the calendar app. I have selected these four apps. You can select any apps on your iPhone and after that simply click on done. Now click on next. Now click on add action. Under categories you need to click on all actions. Under all actions you need to scroll down a little bit. Under clock you need to select start timer. Click on that. By default start timer selects minutes. You need to tap on minutes and you will get the option to select seconds. Select seconds and after that you need to enter the number of seconds. Click on next. You need to disable this option, ask before running. Click on don't ask. Now click on done. Now go back to the home screen. Now open the clock app. Now under the clock app you need to click on timer and you will get an option when timer ends. Click on that and scroll all the way down and click on stop playing. Click on set. Now go back to the home screen. Now you are done. Now you have set the lock for the apps which you have selected. Now let's open the clock app. Here you can see that it is asking us to enter the password. Now you can access the app. Now let's try to open the calendar app. We have set the lock for the calendar app also. Here is the calendar app. It opens. After 1 second it will automatically lock. You can use the Face ID or you can use the password. I am going to use the Face ID. Here you can see that it unlocks the calendar app. If you want to add or remove the locked apps, you can do that. Open the Shortcuts app. Go to the automation and here you can see I have set 4 apps and click on this when. Click on any of the 4 apps and if you want to select more you can simply select. I am going to select Amazon app and click on done. Now let's try the Amazon app. Here you can see that after 1 second it will automatically lock the app. Now you need to enter the password. Every time if you open a locked app you will get a notification from Shortcuts. It will be annoying. If you want to get rid of the notification you can do that. Open the settings app and click on screen time. Now scroll all the way down. Under notifications you can see the Shortcuts app but you don't have the option to edit it. So what you need to do is you need to click on these red lines and now you can click on Shortcuts. Now you can disable notification for the Shortcuts. Now go back. Now if you try to access the locked app you will not get the notification. So that's it guys. In this way you can lock apps on your iPhone which is running on iOS 15. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.